Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the color changing canvas mockup in Pixlr. First go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, and it'll give you two options, the advanced Pixlr E or the free playful Pixlr X. So we're going to go with the free version. And then once you get in there, on the left side you'll see an option to open image. So click on Open Image and then find the Canvas Mockup, which should be in your Downloads folder. So this PNG file is transparent, so this will work in Pixlr if you want to change the background color. So just click on the file that ends in .png and then click Choose. And it's going to ask you what size you want it to be. So we'll just choose the original maximum size. Alright, now that it's open, you can see the background is transparent. So to change the background color, we look at these icons on the left hand side, and the top one that says Properties, we want to click on that. And then here where it says Backgrounds, click beside the little circle to toggle the color on, and it'll give you a bunch of options. Say we want blue, we click this blue and it brings up this nice color slider tool. So you can click and drag the circle and move it around to change the color. You can click this little slider to change colors, make it lighter, darker. You can choose millions of colors. And then once you decide on the color you want, you can click the X on the Properties box. And now we need to put our art on the canvas. So we'll go back to the left hand side with all these icons. And this one on the bottom that says Add Image, we want to click on that. And then it'll give us an option to browse the hard drive for it or to pick it up from a URL. So we're going to browse, and we're going to find the artwork and open that up. And it's going to ask us if we want to create a new document or add to the current document. So we'll click Add Current. And then we want to resize it. So to do that, click on any of the four corners and then just drag it to resize it. If you want to zoom in or out, you can press Command plus on a Mac or Control plus on a PC to zoom in, and Command minus on a Mac or Control minus on a PC to zoom out. And then once you're satisfied with that, you've got the color, you've got the art on the canvas, you can just click this Save button down here. And it's going to give you several options for saving it. So to use it as a thumbnail on Etsy and sites like that, you want to save a JPEG. I changed the quality to 100% and then just click Download. And it's going to tell you the image was saved to the default download folder on your device. And if you want to, it even gives you an option to change that. And if you wanted to save it as like a native Pixlr document, you could click the PXD file and download one of those too. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and have a good evening.